It is coming down. Brad's up ahead. I'm just looking for anything that looks worked. Oh, we're gonna be soaked. But that's okay. Yeah, what we got here? No, that's a piece of old pottery. Woo! There's a chip right there. There's another piece right there. Oh, what's that? Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, that's a work piece. Check that out. That's nice. There's another piece chipped off. There's another piece right there. Hit my lens. Oh, it's a little. There we go. Well, that was refreshing. Interesting. Where's it going? Another piece right there. Another piece. There's chert everywhere. Brad says the fact that it looks like they just scraped this road, chances are we'll find an arrowhead, especially if there's no footprints. We don't see any footprints of anybody being along here. So nobody's been along here since they scraped. Another piece. There's another piece that's chipped off. Oh, there's another piece. Goodness me. There's another piece. Oh, look at this. Look at that. That's nice. another workpiece right there. Check that out. That's brilliant. Alright, I gotta change the battery on my camera. I'll get back with you. Alright, I'm back. Where did I see that piece glistening? Right here. What's this right here? Little thing. This stuff is everywhere. There's a chunk of it. There's another shard. Piece they cut off, knocked off. Wow. I'm probably not going to keep all this. I'll probably just keep the bigger pieces. That's a core right there. A little too big to carry. Well, I've not seen Brad move in the last 5-10 minutes, so I can only assume he's in a good spot. He's probably waiting for me to get up there. Slowpoke that I am. Makes you wonder, how many did they make before they actually no bottle, before they actually made one that was in good condition. It's another fossil. So right now we are in Tennessee. We're not in Alabama. Oh, hello. Oh, no. Oh, that's close. That's been work though. We're in Tennessee, not Alabama. So I was saying before I got distracted by that. That's cool. Yeah. Check that out. Bottle top. Alright, if I find something, I'll let you know. Well, or not, but we're about to find out. Sitting on the edge here. Oh, it is. It is. That's an arrowhead. Check that out. That is an arrowhead. Found my first arrowhead in Tennessee. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. But look, I mean, look at all the chips. Everything to come up with one. That's amazing. It was just sitting there on the side. Oh, happy days. Happy days. See now. Now I'm ready to walk this whole length of this road. Ooh, what is that? Oh, never mind, it's plastic. That's cool. Well, my day's made. Absolutely made. Now, of course, if I was to find another one, it'll be made all over again, wouldn't it? Fingers crossed. Alright, I'll get back with you.